How to pair or connect your MFI hearing aid devices on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. After that, you want to go down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down, and in here, you go down to the hearing section and tap on Hearing Devices. And in the MFI hearing devices, the phone will try to search for an available device. So at this point, you want to go to your hearing aid device and you want to turn it on, you want to activate it, and you want to make sure you put the device into a Bluetooth visible mode. So once the device is visible for the iPhone to connect to, it will show in the list here. So once it is in the list here, you can tap on it to perform the pairing or the connections. From there, you can follow the on-screen instruction to complete the connection. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.